Hi, I'm Vicki and I'm here to tell you about our Super Soul Clinics in the Sun. The retreat that's coming up this spring will be in the beautiful Aegean peninsula of Datca in Turkey. It's a complete physical, mental and emotional detox. What that means to you is that you'll be leaving all your everyday reality right behind you and arriving in a protected and healing space. From the minute you arrive there, my dear friend, co-host, Ayurvedic consultant and yoga teacher Seda Shambhavi, the team at Kazubuk and myself will take care of all your shelter and nutritional needs. You won't have to do a thing. Questions, consultations and your detox details will happen long before you step on the plane, so that when you do arrive, a massive space will open up, a space from which you'll heal and grow. Remembering that you'll only go as deep as you're willing, able and ready to go. Seda and I will share our skills through yoga, meditation, hypnosis, energy work, walking and playing, whether that's in the forest, under the stars or on the beach. I promise there won't be a desk and chair in sight. We'll take you on a journey from which you'll return relaxed, repaired and totally rejuvenated. You'll walk away with all the benefits of this integrated experience, free of baggage from the past, up-leveled and ready to live at true self level. So, if you're ready to join this truly holistic program, please just get in touch. My contact details and my website are right here. Thank you so much for listening. Namaste.